Grand awakening, Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some great services. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom. Ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. You're actually reaching a point where it's time to ask spirit. It's time to ask God, what do I do next? Do I take the left path? Do I take the right path? Do I go straight? Because figuring it out yourself, you may take 3 months down the line for you to get the answer. Just ask now. There's no reason to make your job more difficult or colorful than it is right now. Humble yourself, and when you ask these questions with a humble heart, be humble enough to actually follow through and listen to the instructions that are given. God has a plan for me. I live here and now knowing the beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. You're in the right place, right time. Keep going, baby. Ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding when you pray, when you meditate, when you go out into the elements, wherever your form of picking up the phone, the spirit is, this is what you need to ask for. I learned from my experiences. Take small steps in faith and I succeed. Thanks to all of my efforts. Thanks to all your efforts. Don't work harder than you need to. Ask for the rightful guidance, the right wisdom, and when it comes, exercise it and get ready to skyrocket. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.